SpaceX is a company that dreams big, aiming to revolutionize space travel and exploration. It wants to make humans a multiplanetary species, envisioning a future where we live on Mars. They are working towards this goal step by step, with meticulous planning and relentless innovation. Their rockets and spacecraft are changing the way we think about space, making it more accessible. SpaceX is pushing the boundaries of what's possible, constantly setting new milestones. They are making space travel more affordable and accessible to everyone, democratizing space. SpaceX was founded by Elon Musk in 2002, with a vision to change the world. Musk is a visionary entrepreneur who wants to revolutionize space travel and make it a reality for humanity. He believes that humans need to become a multi-planetary species to ensure our survival and future. SpaceX is at the forefront of this exciting endeavor, leading the charge into the final frontier. They are developing groundbreaking technologies that are making space travel more accessible and affordable for all. SpaceX's ultimate goal is to establish a self-sustaining colony on Mars, a monumental task. This is a challenging goal that requires cutting-edge technology and innovative thinking, pushing the limits of human ingenuity. SpaceX is developing the Starship program, a key component in their Mars mission. This program will be capable of carrying humans to Mars and beyond, opening new horizons. The journey to Mars is long and dangerous, filled with unknowns and challenges. SpaceX is working hard to overcome these challenges, paving the way for humanity's future in space. SpaceX's Starship is not just a spacecraft, it's a vision for the future. This ambitious project aims to revolutionize space travel and make interplanetary exploration a reality. It represents humanity's ambition to reach out into the cosmos, to explore the unknown, and to push the boundaries of what is possible. Starship is designed to be fully reusable, which is a significant leap forward in space technology. This means it can travel to space and back multiple times, drastically reducing the cost of space missions. This is a game-changer for space travel, making it more affordable and sustainable, and opening up new possibilities for exploration. Starship is also designed to be incredibly powerful, with advanced propulsion systems. It will be the most powerful rocket ever built, capable of carrying over 100 people to Mars, and potentially beyond. Starship is still under development, but it has already achieved some impressive milestones showcasing its potential. In 2021, a Starship prototype successfully landed after a high-altitude flight test, marking a major achievement. This was a major achievement, demonstrating the spacecraft's ability to perform complex maneuvers and land safely. It demonstrated the spacecraft's ability to perform complex maneuvers, a critical capability for future missions. SpaceX is continuing to test and refine Starship, making improvements with each iteration. They are preparing it for its first orbital flight, a significant step towards regular space travel. The development of Starship is crucial for SpaceX's long-term goals, including the colonization of Mars. Starship is not just for Mars missions, it has a broader scope. It is designed to be a versatile spacecraft, capable of a wide range of missions. It can be used for a variety of missions, from transporting cargo to ferrying astronauts. These missions include transporting cargo and crew to the Moon, and potentially other celestial bodies. It can also be used to deploy satellites and conduct scientific research, furthering our understanding of the universe. SpaceX's ambitions extend beyond Mars. They also have their sights set on the Moon. In fact, NASA has selected SpaceX's Starship to be part of its Artemis program. This program aims to land astronauts on the Moon again. This time, it's a sustainable presence. Starship will play a vital role in this mission. It will transport crew and cargo between lunar orbit and the Moon's surface. SpaceX plans to use Starship to build a lunar base. This base will serve as a hub for future lunar exploration. It will also be a stepping stone for missions to Mars and beyond. The Moon provides an ideal testing ground for technologies and strategies that will be needed for deep space exploration. SpaceX's ultimate goal is to establish a self-sustaining colony on Mars. Elon Musk envisions a future where humans are a multiplanetary species. Mars, with its potential for resources and habitability, is the next logical step. Starship is key to this ambitious plan. Colonizing Mars is a daunting challenge. It requires overcoming many obstacles such as the planet's thin atmosphere, harsh climate, and lack of readily available resources. However, SpaceX is confident that these challenges can be overcome with ingenuity and determination. The company is developing technologies. These technologies will allow humans to live and thrive on Mars. They are creating life support systems, energy production, and resource extraction methods. Section 5. Dragon, a dragon in space. While Starship represents the future of SpaceX's human spaceflight ambitions, the Dragon spacecraft has already made history. Dragon is a capsule designed to carry astronauts to and from the International Space Station. It has become a reliable workhorse for NASA's Commercial Crew program. In 2020, Dragon became the first private spacecraft to carry humans to orbit. This was a major milestone in space exploration. It marked the beginning of a new era of commercial human spaceflight. Since then, Dragon has successfully transported multiple crews to and from the ISS, demonstrating its safety and reliability. Dragon's success has paved the way for more ambitious human spaceflight missions. SpaceX will continue to use Dragon for ISS missions. It is also developing a new spacecraft called Dragon XL. Dragon XL will be used to transport cargo to the Lunar Gateway, a space station that will orbit the Moon. Section 6. Polaris, guiding the way to the stars. SpaceX is pushing the boundaries of human spaceflight with its Polaris program, a groundbreaking initiative aimed at exploring the final frontier. This ambitious program will consist of a series of meticulously planned missions, each designed to advance our capabilities in space. These missions will culminate in the first crewed Starship flight, marking a significant milestone in human space exploration. Polaris is designed to test and validate key technologies that will be needed for future deep space missions, ensuring that humanity is prepared for the challenges ahead. The first mission of the Polaris program, Polaris Dawn, is scheduled to launch no earlier than late 2023, setting the stage for a new era in space travel. This mission will be crewed by a group of experienced astronauts, each bringing their unique skills and expertise to the table. They will be led by Jared Isaacman, a billionaire entrepreneur who piloted the Inspiration 4 mission, demonstrating his commitment to advancing human spaceflight. Polaris Dawn will break several records, pushing the envelope of what is possible in space exploration. It will be the first crewed flight of Starship, a monumental achievement for SpaceX and the future of space travel. It will also be the highest Earth orbit ever flown by a crewed spacecraft, offering unprecedented views and scientific opportunities. During the mission, the crew will conduct a spacewalk, venturing outside their spacecraft to perform critical tasks. This will be the first commercial spacewalk in history, a groundbreaking step for private space exploration. They will also test Starlink laser communications in space, a crucial technology for maintaining connectivity in the vastness of space. This will help pave the way for high-bandwidth communication in deep space, ensuring that future missions can stay connected no matter how far they travel. Section 7. Starlink, connecting the world from space. SpaceX is not just focused on sending humans to space, they are also revolutionizing global internet connectivity with Starlink. Starlink is a constellation of satellites that beam high-speed internet down to Earth. It aims to provide internet access to even the most remote areas of the world. Traditional satellite internet relies on a few large satellites in geostationary orbit. This results in high latency and slow speeds. Starlink, on the other hand, uses thousands of small satellites in low Earth orbit. This reduces latency and provides much faster internet speeds. Starlink has the potential to bridge the digital divide, providing internet access to billions of people who currently lack it. This will have a profound impact on education, healthcare, economic development, and many other aspects of life. Section 8. Falcon family and rideshare making space accessible. SpaceX's Falcon family of rockets has been instrumental in making space travel more affordable and accessible. The Falcon 9 is the company's workhorse rocket. It is used for a variety of missions. These missions include launching satellites into orbit, sending cargo to the ISS, and even carrying astronauts. The Falcon Heavy is SpaceX's heavy-lift launch vehicle. It is capable of carrying much larger payloads than the Falcon 9. In 2018, the Falcon Heavy made history by launching Elon Musk's Tesla Roadster into space. SpaceX also offers a rideshare program. This program allows smaller companies and organizations to launch payloads into space at a fraction of the cost of a dedicated launch. This has opened up space exploration to a wider range of participants. Section 9. SpaceX, a legacy in the making. SpaceX is a company that is constantly pushing the boundaries of what's possible in space exploration. From its reusable rockets to its ambitious plans for Mars colonization, SpaceX is shaping the future of space travel. The company's innovative technologies and bold vision are inspiring a new generation of scientists, engineers, and space enthusiasts. SpaceX's impact extends beyond the realm of space exploration. The company's technologies are having a ripple effect on other industries, driving innovation and progress. Starlink, for example, is not only providing internet access to remote areas but also revolutionizing disaster relief efforts and expanding the possibilities for global communication. SpaceX's journey is far from over. The company has many exciting plans for the future. These plans include sending humans to Mars, establishing a lunar base, and continuing to expand the Starlink constellation. As SpaceX continues to push the boundaries of what's possible, it will undoubtedly leave a lasting legacy on humanity's future among the stars.